Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The I Factor. Today, we're going to make some chai together. Who doesn't like a nice cup of hot tea? Well, I'm an Indian and I love to have my 4 o'clock chai. But in the recent times, I've started to add an ingredient into my chai to give it that extra healthy boost. And if you want to find out how I make it with spices and that secret ingredient, stick with me and we'll make some chai together. So the first step in making the chai is I'm going to take a mug and I'm going to take in some water. It's going to be half or less than half a mug of water, depending on how much thick you want your tea to be. And then I'm going to add the rest of the mug with milk. And then I'll pour it into the pan and I'm going to bring it to a boil. So the milk is now coming to a boil, and the next thing I do is I'm going to take a slice of ginger, maybe an inch, or you can take it lesser if you don't want it too strong. And I'm going to take 3 pods of cardamom. So also with the cardamom, you can take lesser if you want, but I like it really strong with a nice cardamom flavor. So I take 3. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grind all of these together in my mortar and pestle. So I'm going to see you on the other side. So the milk has now come to a boil. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the ginger and the cardamom pods that I ground. So let's get going with that. And after that, I'm just going to give it a good stir. And I'm going to leave it for around 1 or 2 minutes, just to let in all the goodness of the ingredients soak into the milk. So we've let the ginger and the cardamom in the milk for 2 minutes, and now it's time to add tea. I usually take 3 sachets of tea because I like my tea strong, but if you like it a little milder, then you can only take tea. And all I do is just pop them into my milk. And now it's time to add sugar. I usually add 2 teaspoons of sugar, but you can add 3 if you want a stronger, sweeter taste. So as promised, here is the last ingredient that is my secret ingredient, and that ingredient is ghee. Ghee is usually 0 lactose, and it's also high in nutrients. It's also called clarified butter in many places, but we in India call it ghee. And ghee adds a nice flavor to the tea. It doesn't ruin it. It in fact accentuates the flavor of the tea. And it makes it super healthy if anything. So I usually add in a teaspoon of ghee and I just stir it into my tea. And then that's it. So that was it guys. This is my healthy tea version. I really hope that you start adding ghee into your tea because it just doesn't alter the taste of the tea. And also it's so healthy and nutritious that it's only going to be good for you in the long run. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you very soon in the next one. So that was it guys, that was my healthy chai recipe. I really hope that you try out the healthy version yourself from now on. Also, if you're liking my content, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come up with new ideas and make more videos in the future. Until the next video, take care and have a great time. Bye bye. And now it's time to add the sugar. I usually add tea to... Hi guys. And when it doesn't alter the chain, no. So that was it guys, this is my tea recipe.